English 9, Quarter 1, Week 2 video guide. The second week of English 9 talks about conditionals. Now, here is the video guide about what you will do and how you will answer your learning activity sheet. So, first, read the lecture. What are conditionals? Basically, conditionals, we use them in English to talk about hypothetical situations that can happen, that cannot. And the main word that you use to express this is the if. If, so, then you have a verb, then what will happen? Then here are the different types of conditionals. So main part in grammar, you have the if clause and then the main clause. So please read this part. Now for drill number 1, what you will do, identify the given conditional. What type of conditional is it? So you will just write 0 conditional, first conditional, second conditional, or third conditional on the blank before the number. Now, dito ba kayo sasagot? Sir, sa activity sheet ko ba sasagot? Yes. Susulat nyo mismo ang mga sagot ninyo sa activity sheet. You will write your answers on the activity sheet. Hindi sa separadong papel ng paper. Dito kayo sa activity sheet sasagot. So that is for drill 1. Drill number 2, write on the blank the correct form of the verb inside the parentheses. You have here the verb, but review the conditionals. Depending first, you need to identify what type of conditional is it. And then what should be the correct form of the verb? Is it in the simple past tense, past perfect tense, present perfect tense? Should you add D, ED, etc.? So just write your answers again on the blank. You have an example here. Just analyze and then answer. Drill number 3. Convert the following statements expressing present hypothetical situations. Then underline the verb. In the if clause and the verb phrase. In the result clause, write your answer on the space provided. If you will try to take a look at the example, you have here 2 sentences. The if clause and the result. What you will do, you will combine that in a single sentence where the first part is the if clause and the second part is the result clause. Look at this. Mark is not a lawyer. First sentence, he will run for a senator. Second sentence. Combine that in using an if clause and a result clause to form one conditional sentence. And the result will be, if Mark were a lawyer, he would run for senator. So that is how you will answer. Drill number 3, write your answers on the blank. Sulat nyo dito sa blank. Dito kayo sasagot. Drill number 4, choose the correct conditional form for each sentence and circle the letter that corresponds to your answer. It's like drill number 2, only here you have choices. So, ano yung tamang form ng verb considering nalaman nyo na yung meaning and the type of the conditional ng sentence? Just encircle your answer. Drill number 5, this is now the writing part. You have pictures, analyze them. After that, you write a conditional sentence that is based on the meaning of the picture. And you will write your answer on this blank. Now, you have here a rubric because this is a performance activity, writing activity. Now, you will not answer the rubric. Ang teacher nyo, ako ang sasagot ng rubric na yan. Instead, use the rubric as your guide. How you will be scored, how you will be graded, what's the basis of scoring, nasa rubric. Look at it. For example, relevance to the picture, that's the first criterion. So, if your sentence is relevant, meaning to say connected sa sentence, extremely relevant, totally that's the idea of the picture, I'll give you a score of 4. So that is how you will answer this part. On the use of conditional sentence, did you use conditional sentence grammatically correctly? Then no grammar errors. Drill number 6. Give a sound advice to the following situations. Start your statements with if I were. So you have here situations. And then you will express your advice using conditional sentence. You will always start with this clause If I were. So, a friend cheats during examination. If I were him. So, let's say that is your first part. What will you do? Continue the result clause. So, that is just an example on how you will answer this drill. You write your answers on the blank provided. Then reflection, you just choose. You just choose which statement reflect. You shade the circle of that item. And then here are the references. If you have questions that were not covered by this video guidelines, do not hesitate. Huwag kayo mag-alangan. Huwag kayo matakot. Just message me in the group chat or personally, and I'll try to answer them. And I will try to assist you. Alright? Good luck. God bless.